I'm Jaden, and today me and my mum are going to make some yummy chocolate brownies. You will need some margarine,
225 grams,
4 eggs,
4 eggs,
a bowl of
dark chocolate, 100 grams,
some cocoa powder,
50 grams of cocoa,
some flour,
plain flour 50 grams,
some caster sugar,
which is 200 grams of caster sugar,
vanilla extract, milk chocolate, and some walnuts.
and a pinch of salt.
Oh yeah, and a pinch of salt. And a pinch of salt.
Let's move the things into the side. We won't need yet.
Put the margarine and chocolate into a glass bowl. Melt it in the microwave. So
To put, no, okay. Chocolates need to put those two together.
all of it. Okay.
You asked me to melt it.
And my mum will melt it for us.
So you can do the next bit.
Then put sugar, eggs and vanilla into a mixing bowl. I may need help cracking it. There we go. And some eggs. And whisk. Whisk in flour, cocoa powder and salt. Pinch of salt. A pinch of salt.
Yep, yeah, so do that into your hand.
Oh no, a pinch of salt. That.
Yep.
And whisk that.
Well done, shall I finish it off here?
Okay.
And if we tilt the bowl, you can see what we're doing. How's that look, Jaden?
Yum.
There you go. Right, what do you think we need to do next? What's it say?
Lastly, pour the melted chocolate in the mixture and mix that.
There we go.
like that.
Right, what do we need to do last?
We need to add chocolate chips and walnuts. And then pour it into a baking tray when we've done that. So all of them. And whisk it up.
Mix it up.
Mix it up.
Now you'll need a tray, but we've lined with greaseproof paper so your brownie mixture doesn't stick to the tray. Stirred up well.
I think yeah.
Not ready to pour it in.
Okay.
Scrape round.
Yeah.
Scrape round, make sure you get all the mixture out, don't we, Jaden?
Yeah. Oh, this looks yum.
Now, once it's in the oven, what do we normally do with a bowl?
We
What,
put it.
what do you normally do with a bowl? You normally lick it, don't you?
I don't lick it.
Oh. You like to lick the bowl out. Right. If we turn it up so we can see. So we put it in the oven at, what's it say?
For 25 minutes at 180 Celsius.
Well done. If you jump down for a minute, we can put it in. Up there. So you can say I like licking out the bowl when I'm waiting for it to cook.
I like licking out the bowl when it's cooking, when the brownies are cooking. So my chocolate brownies are ready, and we're going to put them.
Just finish off with it, don't they look yummy? Comes from here.
Don't they look yummy?